Hello, receiving students, teachers, and 6E. Thank you. You may take your seat. All right, in our last lesson, we looked at moon tides and the causes of moon tides. Can anyone tell me what is the cause of high tide? Receiving students, you can tell your teacher. Robert, thank you.
When it's full moon. When it's full moon.
When it's full moon, very good. How about low tide? What causes low tide? What causes low tide? Receiving students, you can tell a teacher. Victoria, thank you.
When there's a new moon.
When there's new moon. Good, very good. Has anyone got another answer for that? Wow, thank you.
During the first quarter and last quarter.
Okay, very good. During the first quarter and last quarter of the moon phase, that's when you experience low tide. Very good. So these are some of the answers. Receiving students, I hope you have done the same, given your answers to your teachers. All right, receiving students and teachers, we are still looking at the same outcome, strand and substrand. And our topic for today's lesson, star patterns. I want you to work in groups and you discuss and write the names of star patterns that you know. You discuss in groups and you write the names of star patterns that you know. Okay, I'll give you 3 minutes. Some of the star patterns that you know, names of some of the star patterns. Okay, you can write the question down. I'll give you 1 minute to just write the question down. And then we'll move on to the next question. All right, question number 2. Name the star that is closest to the Earth. So you write that question down into your exercise book. And question number 3, how do these star patterns help your people in the past? How do these star patterns help your people in the past? All right, so by now you should finish writing all the questions down. So receiving students and 6C, now I want you to discuss in groups, and write the answers of the 3 questions in your exercise books. So you can start now. I will give you 4 minutes. 4 minutes to answer these 3 questions. Write the answers for the 3 questions on this chapter. I'll give you the markers. You write the answers of the 3 questions on the chat. I have no idea. Oh. Okay, for the model class, I've given you the A3 paper, you write only the answers down on the A3 paper for questions number 1, 2, and 3. For the receiving students, you can write the answers in your exercise books. Okay, let's work fast, model class. You just have to write only the answers, not the questions, only the answers down on the A3 paper. Orion. Orion. Madu. Of course, Southern Cross is a start pattern. Okay, so you are.
Standing the start is closer to Musica or what? Huh? No, I'm not okay. Wait there.
Asta, closest to the earth. during during the day, you see during the day you see that it's a star. It's a star.
We have no idea about the stop and end.
That's okay. Work on question. All right, receiving students and 6C, by now you should have completed answering all the 3 questions. So let's go through the answers together. Receiving students, you can give your answers to your teachers. Okay, let's look at question number 1. In groups, discuss and write the names of star patterns that you know. Let's have another group to give an answer for question number 1. Thank you.
Orion. Orion.
Orion. Orion. Very good. Okay, yes, that's one of the star patterns, or that's the name of one of the star patterns. Very good. Orion's, or we say Orion's belt. Okay, these star patterns are used by the Greek people. So when these star patterns appear in the sky, they know that it's time for hunting. Okay, so it is used by the Greek people. Okay, what else? Apart from analogous group. Uvao, thank you.
Southern Cross. Southern Cross.
Southern Cross, very good. Southern Cross. Okay, Southern Cross is also name of a star pattern. Okay, very good. Is that all? Carol, thank you.
Leo the lion. Leo the lion.
Again,
Leo the lion.
Leo, is it Leo or Dion?
Leo.
Leo. Leo star. Leo.
The lion. The lion.
Lion. Okay. Oh, Leo the lion, okay? Yes, okay, good. Is that all? Okay, let's move on to question number 2. Later in the lesson, we will find out. Question number 2, name the star that is closest to the Earth. Milika, thank you.
Sun. Sun.
Sun, very good. Okay, Sun is the closest star to the Earth. Okay, very good. Question number 3. How do these star patterns help your people in the past? Like I've mentioned earlier, that Greek people, they use Orion's belt as a sign for them to go for hunting. So how do these star patterns help your people in the past? Receiving students, you can tell your teacher. Lorraine?
My people believe that stars help show people signs that something is going to happen.
Okay, it helps show people signs that something is going to happen. Okay, very good. What else? Emmanuel, can you help us? Thank you.
Help people to know seasons, directions, and important events. Help people to know seasons, directions, and important events.
Did you hear that? Emmanuel, loud and clear, please.
Oh. Help to know seasons. Help people to know seasons, directions, and important events.
Okay, help people to know directions and important events and also seasons. Okay, very good. Okay, so star patterns also help people to know seasons, directions, and important events. Okay? Okay, thank you, receiving students. And model class for your answers. So here, as you can see on the screen, it's a constellation of zodiac. Okay, when you look through newspapers, you will see horoscope signs. Okay, do you see that? Horoscope signs? Do you read horoscopes? Aquarius, Libra, Gemini? Okay. Well, constellation means a group of stars that forms patterns. Okay? A group of stars that forms patterns. So that's what we call constellation. So these are some constellation of zodiac signs. Have you ever heard of zodiac signs? Zodiac signs: Aries, Aquarius, Gemini, Libra, Scorpio. Okay, well, I will show you later after this lesson. Okay, so you have star patterns there. So each one of the zodiac signs, they have star patterns. So you have Aries, Taurus, the bull, and you have Gemini, the twins, Cancer, that's the crab. So Cancer, when you look up in the sky, when you see the star pattern, it forms, it's like a crab. Leo, the lion. Virgo, the virgin. And you have Libra. Scorpius, the scorpion. Sagittarius, the arch, and Capricorn, the goat. So these are some star patterns that forms animals. Oh, yes, animals, especially animals. And the last two, you have Aquarius and Pisces, the fish. Okay, so these are some of the star patterns or constellation of zodiac. And this is the Southern Cross star. In this time, during the night, when you look up in the sky, you can see stars. Okay? So this is the Southern Cross star. And this is the Big Dipper. It's not, you will not see it in here, but in Europe countries, they usually see that star pattern, the Big Dipper, and it represents the bear. Okay? The bear. All right, our summary. I'll give you only 1 minute to copy the summary down into your exercise books. A constellation is a group of stars that, when seen from Earth, form a pattern. Okay, our key phrase for today's lesson, star patterns. And our next lesson topic will be on star facts. Star facts. And these are the materials that the receiving teacher should provide for the next lesson. With that, receiving students, 6E and teachers, thank you very much for your participation.